Fixing toilets at midnight or making passive income while on vacation? Let's find out which type of investor you are. And yes, there is a right answer if you like sleep. A lot of people say, I want to invest in real estate. But what they really mean is, I want to own real estate, I want to get paid from real estate, and I never want to touch a wrench or a broken AC unit or get a, my neighbor stole my patio chair text message. So today, we're going to break down the difference between active investing and passive investing, so you can avoid accidentally signing up for a part-time job you didn't realize came with tenants. First, let's look at what active real estate investing is. Active investing is what people picture after binge watching 3 episodes of HGTV and saying, I could totally do that. Examples include buying rental properties, flipping houses, short-term rentals, the BRRRR strategy, which is buy, rehab, rent, refi, and repeat, or the I'll just do the renovation myself strategy. Good luck, YouTube University. As an active investor, you are the CEO, the acquisition analyst, the renovation manager, the landlord, and everyone's favorite, the conflict resolution specialist. Think of it like running a small business. The returns can be amazing, but the time commitment is also amazing. Wow. Okay, if that's active investing, what is passive real estate investing? Passive investing is for people who say, I want cash flow, I want equity, I want tax benefits, but I also want to enjoy my weekends off and not have emergency plumbing on speed dial. In this model, you invest capital into a professionally managed real estate deal, often like a large apartment complex. And an experienced team handles everything: finding the deal, negotiating and signing on the loan, renovations, operations, property management, and dealing with everything that causes active landlords premature gray hair. You get monthly or quarterly income, updates, equity growth, and tax benefits, while you get to enjoy fun family events and vacations. Yes. I'm a list person, so let's break down the pros and cons of each. Let's start with active investing pros. You have full control, like you're the boss. No, not like Tony Danza, like you're the actual boss. There's potential for higher upside, creative value add opportunities, and you get amazing before and after social media content. Okay, active investing cons. Time, like real time. Tenants do not take holidays. It requires knowledge, skill, and plenty of patience. And it also may cause spontaneous Google searches like, how to evict someone legally, but also politely. Okay, let's look at passive investing pros. It is 100% hands-off. You get access to experienced teams and access to bigger, more stable properties. And it comes with mailbox while you brunch vibes. And last, what about passive investing cons? You're not in the driver's seat. Remember, you're giving control to experienced operators, but keeping your free time. You still need to vet the deal and the sponsors, the operators. And your investment is typically illiquid. You can't just sell tomorrow because you feel like it. This is a real investment, not Amazon Prime. Okay, so what if I'm still on the fence? Here are some clues to help you figure out what kind of investing might fit you best. You might be an active investor if Home Depot is your Disneyland. You have a spreadsheet for your spreadsheets. You want direct operational control. And you enjoy learning real estate at a deep level, like you want to know all the things. You might be a passive investor if your time is more valuable than your toolbox. You prefer ownership over operations. You want to grow wealth while still sleeping 8 hours. Your idea of real estate management is checking email updates from the pool. Both are excellent. It's simply about alignment. You just need to know if you want to be the landlord or the investor who owns part of the building. If you're leaning toward passive investing and want the shortcut to learning all the essentials, minus the midnight plumbing calls? Grab my free Passive Investor Starter Kit using the link below. It breaks everything down in plain English and will help you decide if passive investing is the right path for you. And I promise, no tool belt required.